Lexus 2002. Today I'm going to change something broken on this car. You see this arm on here? It just broken last time. They are like this. So I need to change this one. Put the belt and bought the bearing, which is going to here. And see, okay, let me open the bonnet. This is the engine, so I have to take this cover off. This one makes space. I have to take the alternator out. I need to take the belt out and compressor as well to make it space. This bracket is broken. Took the alternator off, and now need to open the compressor. Took it off. 4 screw. See, there is 2 and 1, 2 here, so total is 4. This is the one broken. This one is customer bought. All good. Now I'm going to put back the compressor. All done. Compressor done as well. Now I'm going to put alternator back, which is easy peasy. Okay, I put the screw, put this one, and now I have to tight that one. This one's tight as well. So let me go put the new bearing. Okay, this one is done. This is the washer and screw. The belt came from main dealer. All good. I'm going to put alternator belt, and after that I'm going to put that. I tied the screw, and then I'm going to tie this one, and then other one, the last one, which is number 12, and other is number 14. And you have to adjust the belt with the screw, not too tight. Yeah, you need to make sure it's not too tight, it's just good enough. And now good. Now you cannot tie this one. You can't tie this one, have to be unscrew this one as well. So when you put the belt, you tie this one, you adjust the belt, then the last one you put back the screw, like torque it. Okay, see this one? So now I'm going to tie this one to adjust it. It's good, tight enough. And now this one. Okay, all done. Perfect. So now I'm going to start the car to see is everything good. One thing I did wrong, I took this bearing off, was like 2 months ago, and I thought this should be down there, which is, I put like that. And when you tie the screw, this pulley doesn't spin, so I was wrong actually. I have to take it out. So now I'm going to press this one, and this one is going to be on here on the last. Yeah, something I did wrong actually. You see, have to be like this. I put this one under, which is not good, so this should stay here, and you can weld it, or you can just hammer it on this corner. See, fall. Yeah, that's what I did wrong, but good, I started and I checked. The pulley was spinning. I mean, the belt was spinning on here, you see. It cleaned a little bit, so it didn't start. Now I'm going to put back. This is the old one. Now it's perfect. So please make sure when you put the pulley and tie, just make sure it's everything good. You see, this washer even got enough space to push the bearing, and the pulley you cannot put wrong. You see, you can see clearly. I'm just tightening to make sure it's good. I'm not doing mistake. Now I'm unscrewing to put back the belt. Okay, put back the belt. Okay, and now tie this one. That's it. Start again. Let's see. Sound much smoother this time. You see other video before. This pulley was not spinning. So all good now. I'm going to put back these screws. Here. Good. I dropped this one, let me bring it back. Oh no. Good, I found it. I have to open it and it goes where is the fan. So good I switched off, otherwise the fan would break. Stupid socket. All good now, all done. I'm just going to make this one straight. Somebody didn't put straight, and we'll be done. That's how it should be. Perfect. All done.